Here we go, we're going to unbox the new ToyTec Aluma Boss 2.0s. And this is the new shock that is actually built by Elka, and then the springs and the mounts are designed by ToyTec. So this is, here we go. This is what comes with it. We've got a, looks like a spanner wrench there of some sort, an adjustment wrench. Front sway bar relocation, and those are even marked left and right, which is very cool, so can't get that too wrong. So that's that. Very nice looking. So again, these are 2.0s, adjustable, really nice anodizing. One of the advantages of going with the Elka brand is they're Canadian built, and they do a really nice job with corrosion resistance in the design. So if you're on the beach or you're in an area that gets salt, these are going to hold up a lot better. They also have a really long rebuild life, so there are rebuildable shock, but the rebuild time is double what companies like Icon run. So here you can see where the looks like right here might be the nitrogen recharge port if you ever needed to rebuild them. Supposedly these come preset at 2.5 inches, so hopefully that's true. If not, you can, of course, as you can see, get a little more lift or a little bit less lift depending on this collar. But they're really nicely done. The bottom's high quality. Nice machine work on the aluminum, and of course the signature ToyTec red, which is very cool. These are also a 700, as you can see, a 700-pound spring, which is really ideal for trucks like the GX470 and the GX460, because most guys will tell you shouldn't run anything less than a 650-pound shock, or rather coil. But with the 700-pound, it's really ideal, especially if you're going to run a bumper. I would rather also have a little more strength in the spring, and then be able to use less preload on the spring. So that's the advantage, I think, of going with a 700-pound spring as well. So I'm not going to run a bumper at this time, though I could in the future, but this will give me plenty of lift without a ton of preload here on the shock. So it looks good. Comes with the hardware. There's no need for a new top mounts or top hats, because the coilover has it built in, and of course has the hardware. And you'll even notice which side each coil goes on by this arrow indicating out to the wheel side. So this one, for example, would be placed this way if you're on the driver's side, or it would be placed this way if you're on the passenger side. So very nice. Gonna get these on this week, and we'll see how they work out. So these are the new ToyTec Aluma Boss 2.0s with the shocks made by Elka. Hope this video helps you out if you're trying to make a decision on all the various options out there. For me, it was Icon, Fox, Radflow, and I think for price, performance, and quality, these just seemed like a good option, particularly because I like the long service intervals. I didn't want to have to rebuild the shock every 20,000 miles like on an Icon. These really can go 40, 50, 60,000 from what everybody claims before a rebuild. And some guys say you don't even rebuild them ever until you see some leakage. So I hope that's true. All right, thanks.